Good day students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in geography, that is chapter 4, climate. What is climate? Climate is the most important element of environment on the earth after formation of land or solid outer surface of the earth. Now these are the elements of climate and weather. Temperature, which is a root element, air pressure, winds, humidity, cloudiness and precipitation, that is rainfall. What is climate? It refers to the sum total of weather conditions over a large area for a longer period of time, that is more than 30 years. What is weather? It refers to the state of atmosphere over an area or place at any point of time. It is temporary picture of atmosphere in terms of elements of weather. So basically weather is for a short time of period, and climate is for a longer period of time. Now how the climate and weather are made? This is the chain of elements that makes the climate and weather conditions. Here you can see temperature, air pressure, winds, humidity, cloudiness and rainfall. All these are the elements of climate. Together they form, this is the chain of elements, together they form climate. This is the relation of temperature and air pressure. Here you can see higher the temperature, high temperature generates hot air and light air. This results into expansion and ascent, which results into emptiness in atmosphere, and as a result there is low air pressure. Here you can see low temperature results into cold air that converts into heavy air, and then piling up, that is descending air, then accumulation of air, which results into high air pressure. So this is the relation of temperature and air pressure. So basically there is a reverse relationship between temperature and air pressure. This is the relation of air pressure and winds. Now we will see what is air current. Air always moves from high pressure to low pressure. Horizontal movement of air is known as winds. Air also moves in a vertical movement, and the vertical movement of air is known as air current.